The Whitley AsProvac is an all-in-one laboratory aspirator designed for the easy and safe disposal of liquid waste. It can be used as a standalone system with an aspirator handle or with Whitley workstations fitted with a vacuum takeoff port. Due to the wide range of vacuum levels that we can accomplish with the AsProvac, we can do both low and high volumes of aspiration. At the top of the system, both sets of tubing have quick connects for easy disassembly. The waste bottle of the AsProvac is 4 liters in volume, as well as shatterproof and autoclavable. There is also a metal handle on the back, which makes for very easy transfer for disposal. The quick click lid allows for no multi-turn screwing, which prevents from over-tightening the lid and binding the tubing. If you have any questions or would like more information about the AsProvac, please feel free to contact us using the details in the description below. Thank you for watching.